Hey, did you just take my picture?
What? Oh no, I was taking pictures of that scenery.
Show me then.
See? That's the one I took just right now.
You must really like birds.
Named after a bird, actually.
What's your name?
It's Kuro. Fukuro is owl in Japanese, so I'm like Fukuro, without the fu.
That's cute.
What's your name?
It's Robin.
It's also a bird's name.
No. They called me after Christopher Robin. They really liked reading that to me as a kid.
It's still funny though. So you like books then, I'm guessing?
More a poems person.
Never liked poems much personally.
Why not? Are you stupid?
Oh, no, I just never found the appeal to them.
What do you like then? Right. I've got a poem you'll definitely like though. A bird on the wing pauses in the winter dusk. Oh, where is its nest?
Okay, that's about a bird. I feel like I've heard that though.
It's my twist on a classic.
It's neat. Do you share these with people?
I don't talk much to people. Don't got friends, you could say. I really gotta go now, but maybe let's talk later today.
I can't. I sleep now till like really late.
You're up this late?
Yeah, but so are you.
Bro, this is the start to my day. I really gotta go though.
Let's just meet back here same time. Hi again. Is this for me?
Yeah, dumbass. Don't open it till you get home.
You're embarrassed?
Kind of. You know, it would be better if you talk later in the afternoon.
I really can't. I'm like a night owl, you could say. Why can't we just meet later, like 10?
No, I have schoolwork and internships.
Are you serious? You don't have like any free time?
Well, this is my free time, basically. Besides of sleeping, I guess.
You're not doing any favors.
Anyways, listen to this. Music is like a poem, so you're deaf like this.
I don't think we can keep meeting this late.
Really?
Yeah. Doing this the first thing in the morning is gonna mess up my flow. You know?
No, not really. I don't see what's there to flow for.
Like, you don't know what to do with yourself in the future?
Yeah, I don't see what's wrong with that.
How about getting a job? Getting a life?
Look, I'm fine with where we are right now, personally. And if we don't meet after this, then that's okay. My plan is just this. Keep taking photos late at night till the year ends, then I'm probably done.
What are you gonna do afterwards? But don't you enjoy what we've done? We've made this park our own, even if it's just an hour. And look, maybe if we're up earlier, we'd be able to ride that. There's so much to do. And do you know, I think I also felt like I wanted to end it all, but then I met you, you know? It's like we cure this incessant loneliness in each other.
I don't even know what incessant means.
Maybe you should fix your
I
schedule.
can say the same about you.
Good luck with whatever you want to do.
An owl perches in his tree. A robin awakens in her nest. They both may live differently, but the shared hours they rest. She tells him how to hear. He teaches her how to see. At peace they both may appear, yet each other becomes their remedy. She is like the morning dove to him, a robin who carries the day.
He's a guide of night to the robin, who shows twilight is more than gray.
For the morning is blurred,
And the night is still, for the night owl and early bird, their shared hours are a thrill.
For the morning is blurred, and the night is still. For the night owl and early bird, their shared hours are a thrill. No way you wrote that.